Hi friends, welcome to Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Today I am going to make a gojjavalakki or a poha recipe in a different way. Firstly, I have taken a 3 cups of thick poha and I washed it and soaked it for 10 minutes, and I have soaked tamarind also for 10 minutes. Heat a kadai with 2 teaspoons of groundnut oil and add half teaspoon of mustard seeds and 1 teaspoon of channa dal and urad dal, both I have added here. Fry it well. Now add a 2 teaspoons of groundnut seeds to it. Fry it well until it turns to a golden brown color. Now add a half teaspoon of hing or Asafoetida to it and add few curry leaves to it. And now add a half teaspoon of turmeric powder and add tamarind water. Simple and a healthy recipe, you can make it within 15 minutes. Now add a 1 teaspoon of salt to it and 1 teaspoon of red chilli powder and 1 tablespoon of a rasam powder, and I have added a 2 tablespoons of jaggery to it. Allow it to boil for a few minutes. Now add soaked thick poha to it. Mix it well so that poha will absorb the masala in it. Close the lid for few minutes. Now add a handful of coriander leaves to it and mix it well. Close the lid for 2 minutes, again open it and keep on stirring for 2 to 3 minutes. We call this recipe as a gojjavalakki or a huli avalakki because of combination of a spicy, tangy and a sweet flavor in it. A good probiotic and nutrient dense food rich in iron, low in calories, and this is a perfect weight loss recipe. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you so much. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. For more healthy recipes, keep on watching my channel Sumanyu'z Food Lab. Thank you so much.